I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on your mobile device using Steam Link. First, you will need to install the free Steam Link application on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure your personal computer has Steam running and BeamNG Drive is fully installed and updated. Finally, ensure both your mobile device and computer are connected to the same local network for the best performance. Once the Steam Link app is open, it will automatically search for computers running Steam on your network. Select your computer from the list. A 4-digit PIN will appear on your computer screen. Enter this into your mobile device to pair them. After pairing, the app will perform a network test, which is crucial for ensuring a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. With your device connected, you will see your Steam library mirrored on your mobile screen. Find BeamNG Drive in your game list and simply tap play to launch it on your computer, streaming to your phone or tablet. You can use the customizable on-screen touch controls, or for a more authentic experience, connect a compatible Bluetooth game controller to your mobile device. To get the best performance, consider adjusting the streaming quality settings in the Steam Link app. A lower quality setting can reduce lag. Always use a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, ideally a 5 GHz network, to minimize latency. Also, ensure your computer is not running other demanding applications in the background, as this can impact streaming and game performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.